back to my channel. For today's review, we'll do an unboxing of the OnePlus 8, which I recently purchased a few days ago. I already opened the box and I just installed some apps on it, so that would save us some time. So first things first, we get the phone, and inside this is where we have the manuals and the stickers. The stickers, SIM ejector tool. We have an extra case inside the box. Type-C, USB Type-C connector, and of course the warp charger, which charges your phone from 0 to 60%, if I'm not mistaken, in about 20 minutes. So I recently got this phone and I did a slight comparison on the Asus ROG. So it's a lot smaller, as you can see. 48 megapixels. We have the volume rocker here, power button, slider switch, which controls your ringer, vibrate, and silent. Let's turn it on. Okay, so as you can see, starting up, this has the new Snapdragon 865 on it. So let me just put my pin in there. Okay, so I already installed some apps. As you can see, I placed my normal apps in here, and still as fast as ever. Out of the box, it would be on a 90 Hz display, unlike the Asus ROG, which is 120 Hz. This one just goes up to 90 Hz. So you can check it out in display, advanced, refresh rate. So we're at 90 Hz. Then for screen calibration, I chose advanced and AMOLED wide gamut. That would make the colors pop out even more. So I did some tests on this a few days back. I was playing Mobile Legends on it, and I'm sad to say for the ROG 2 users that this one performs slightly better in my opinion, because I've been playing for about 1 hour and it doesn't heat up that much, unlike the ROG 2, and more stable frame rate. You also have the game space up here, which is like the armory crate. I also played PUBG on this for about 2 hours 2 days ago, and it's more stable, no frame drops. I haven't experienced any frame drops on it. So in my opinion, it could be maybe because of the newer chipset, the Snapdragon 865. That's why it's performing better than the ROG. So hopefully the ROG 3 would be a better comparison than for this than the ROG 2. Speakers are quite loud. So the camera is better than the ROG 2. As you can see, the camera, it has a regular shot, the regular photo. We can also go on the wide angle. It has a 2x zoom, and as you can see, the colors, this is a 2x zoom. That's the wide angle, and that's the regular shot. As you can see, the colors pop out even more, better than our ROG 2. Don't get me wrong, I still love the ROG 2. I still use it for some of my gaming once in a while, but for me this is more stable, though it's a little bit smaller. So as you can see, it's a lot smaller. It's about only 6.5 inches compared to the ROG, which is 6.7. So it's also a lot thinner. It has this switch at the side here, which controls it's a shortcut. So once you start switching it, it goes to vibrate, then switch again, and it goes to silent. So this is just an initial unboxing and initial impression. I cannot say the full potential of this phone as of right now because I only had this a few days. So I'll be doing constant reviews on this, and I'm also planning to get a Black Shark 3 Pro, which I'll be comparing directly to this one and the Asus ROG phone also. So I hope you wait for those reviews that come up. And I'm sure that if you buy this phone, you won't have, you won't have doubts of it performing not that well. As you can see, it's very, very snappy, very fast. So I hadn't had issues with internet. And by the way, this phone is already 5G compatible. So in the future, this will be like a future-proof phone for those 5G SIM cards that you might be able to buy. So as you can see, I have all these apps and still it doesn't lag. So let's see how this goes. Mobile Legends game. I played this for about an hour and 30 minutes, hadn't had any frame drops, more stable than my ROG 2, which sometimes gets disconnected, not that often, but gets disconnected once in a while on the Wi-Fi. As you can see, the volume is very loud. It has dual speakers, one at the bottom and one on top. So stereo speakers for that too, thumbs up to that. Camera performance, as I said, it's better than the ROG 2, but not as good as maybe the Pixel 3a, but still, it's an improvement. So hopefully you give this video a thumbs up. These are just my initial impressions. I am not saying that this will surpass the ROG 2 in any other ways than just the things I've mentioned. But so far, it looks like a good contender. So let's just wait for my next video about the Black Shark 3 and let's see how that competes against this one and the ROG 2. And once the ROG 3 comes out, I might be getting one also to do the comparison between the ROG 2 and the ROG 3. So until next time, thanks for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe if you like the video. Leave comments down below and I'll do my best to answer them as best as I can. Alright, so thank you so much and till next time.